this video, I will show you how to add Calendly to Instagram. So first and foremost, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Instagram on your device. Make sure that you are signed in into your Instagram account. So once you have signed in into your account, go ahead and head over into your profile by clicking on the profile tab at the bottom right of your screen. So on your profile, make sure that your profile is currently on a business account mode. So once you have made your profile into a business account, go ahead and click on that edit profile button. To be able to do that, you can go ahead and head over to settings and activity, head over to the creators tab and click on the switch account type to business account. So this is a very important step since you cannot add a button into your account if your account is not a business account. Once you have done this, go ahead and head back to your profile. Now in here, go ahead and click on that edit profile button and that will redirect you in this section. So in here, go ahead and click on that action button tab. So you'll find that in between content options and profile display. In here, you can go ahead and select the book now tab or the reserve tab from here to be able to connect your Calendly account into your Instagram account. So once you connect that, appointments booked into your Instagram account would reflect into your Calendly account, which makes it easier to track your schedule. So that's how you can basically add Calendly to Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.